In an attempt to expand its audience, Netflix is making sure people with hearing difficulties can equally enjoy watching shows on the platform. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to a report, Netflix is bringing American Sign Language interpretations to hundreds of hours of family programming across 73 different titles. This includes both shows and movies and covers original Netflix properties and licensed content. Featured shows include Stranger Things, Tales from 85, Pokémon Horizons, Octonauts, and the Magic School Bus Rides again, among many others. The deal also includes some big-name movies such as Guillermo del Toro's Pinocchio and Spider-Man Homecoming. This is thanks to a partnership with a company called SignUp Media, which provides online sign language interpretations. The software operates as a Google Chrome extension. Users install the plugin and the interpreter pops up in a separate window. This is a fairly novel approach, as other streamers typically create individual titles with ASL that are available directly from the app. There's plenty of research out there suggesting that captions, which are quite useful for adults, don't really get the job done for children. One study indicated that hearing-impaired children score lower than expected in literacy tests when compared to other kids of a similar age. SignUp Media made a splash earlier this year with the Oscars project. This provided ASL interpretations for every Best Picture nominee from the 2026 Academy Awards. And now it's coming to Netflix, especially for children. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.